Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reading you another story. Isn't that exciting? Today I'm reading another Shimmer and Shine called Wishes and Surprises, but illustrated by Young Cho. Shimmer and Shine love to visit their friend Leah, but it's time to go, and Shine can't find Shimmer or the pets Nala and Tala. Where in the genie world did everyone go? She wonders aloud. With Shimmer and Shine, every day becomes a magical adventure. Leah wants to make cupcakes, so she wishes for fresh eggs and flour. Boom, Zahramay, says Shimmer and Shine. And they give Leah a kitchen filled with very fresh ingredients. Leah goes to the beach. She wishes to find beach treasure like seashells and driftwood to make pretty jewelry. But Shimmer and Shine think she wants to hunt for pirate treasure. Now they are on a pirate adventure. Arr! Leah wants to play the Swan Queen in ballet, but Shimmer and Shine thinks she wants to be queen of real swans. They turn her into a beautiful ballerina. Then they fill her backyard with swans and a lake. Oopsies! No matter what happens, Shimmer and Shine turn, and Leah always fixes their mistakes. Everything turns out great. Their friends celebrate with a sleepover. Wishes and surprises. The end. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Wonder what's next? Another story is next. See you.